Installing a cutter on a ZT211 printer. In this video, we're installing a cutter on a ZT211 printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power and data cables. Remember to remove any media and ribbon. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media door. Remove the electronics panel. Release the tear lower front panel by pushing down the two tabs that secure it to the printer. Use a flat blade screwdriver to push down the inner tab. Tip the top of the tear lower front panel away from the printer until the mounting tabs separate from the mounting slots. Lift the front of the printer and remove the lower front panel. Route the cable for the cutter through the access hole into the electronic side of the printer. Set the cutter onto the hooks, then lift and slide it onto the printer. Install the cutter mounting screw. Connect the cutter cable to J11 on the main logic board. Install the electronics cover. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Install the cutter tray. The cutter is installed.